What is your business plan for growth?
Actually, we have, I already said that we have two segments and both industry are very good. One, pharma is growing very well and another is perfumery industry also growing very well. And payment wise also we are very sound. So we are planning for expansion in related line. So in the pharma industry we are introducing new products in pharma excipients, and for perfumery industry we are adding some aromatic chemicals in future.
You have some technological tie-up or your own R&D?
Actually, we didn't buy any technology. We started in 85. That time also diphenyl oxide is import from Germany, USA, France since long. We first time introduced this product in India with our own technology and own R&D. And this polymers also we are developing our own R&D. We have very good R&D center also with fully equipped and dedicated instrument and manpower.
What would you like to say about quality standards?
Quality standards, we believe in quality from the beginning. For the chemicals also we are very much conscious about quality. I can say that for 35 kg carboys, small buyers, or in FCL container, we both quality is same, and in similar lot after testing we are produced to dispatch.
What are the opportunities to move ahead?
In pharma sector there is a very good opportunity, and actually our strength in R&D and manpower. So we are developing new products, very specialized, and in new product there is a very good value addition. So there is a very good scope for growth.
How do you look at competition?
There is a competition in the running item, but we are planning to introduce new product very fast. So our value addition and turnover may grow fast.